Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, August 14th, 2024, and we've got an exciting lineup of legal news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
EDAP Advocacy shines spotlight on 340B covered entities. Executive Comp, EDAP Advocacy, in partnership with the Community Access National Network, released a report on the 340B drug pricing program's impact on covered entities' executive compensation. The report revealed a significant increase in annual revenues by an average of 824.32%, along with a 231.51% increase in executive compensation. CEO Brandon M. Maksada highlighted concerns about the program benefiting organizations' bank accounts and CEOs' wallets rather than helping patients. The study analyzed 69 340B eligible covered entities' IRS filings to assess revenue, executive pay, and charity care provision. For more information, visit ADAP Advocacy's website.
Byack Pratt files class action lawsuit for Bell Collier Village fire victims. On July 27, 2024, a fire at Bell Collier Village Apartments in Atlanta displaced hundreds of residents. The fire, caused by a propane grill at an unsanctioned party, led to extensive damage. The property owner, Bell Partners, is facing a class action lawsuit filed by Byack Pratt on behalf of the residents. The lawsuit alleges that the complex's negligence in maintaining safety standards contributed to the fire's intensity. Residents left without homes, belongings, and leases terminated are seeking compensation for their losses. If you were affected, document your damages, keep a journal, and reach out to Byack Pratt for assistance. The firm, with over $300 million recovered for clients, is committed to fighting for justice and financial recovery for those impacted by the fire. Schonbrun, Seplow, Harris, Hoffman, and Zeldes, LLP, welcomes Amy Johnsgard as new partner, spearheading personal injury practice. Schonbrun, Seplow, Harris, Hoffman, and Zeldes, LLP proudly welcomes Amy Johnsgard as their newest partner, spearheading the personal injury practice. With a background in litigation and trials, Johnsgard is dedicated to achieving justice for those wronged or injured. Her expertise in personal injury, human rights, consumer fraud, and product defects has led to significant victories for clients. The firm's personal injury practice emphasizes direct, one-on-one attorney-client interaction, providing rare and valuable personal attention. Johnsgard, a San Diego native, brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to the team, having worked at reputable law firms and served vulnerable community members through pro bono work. Schonbrun, Seplow, Harris, Hoffman, and Zeldes, LLP, also recently promoted Joshua A. Fields and John Washington to partners, further strengthening their leadership team. For more information, visit SSHHZlaw.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.